Hi there, it's Sally from Rickety Snippets here, and today I've got a box to show you with this beautiful dragon on it, lots of flowers on there, and inside there's a pocket, and we have a tag with another pocket to go inside it, and some bits of ephemera too. So I've printed all of the pieces out for this, so all of the printables, as usual, they're all available in the Rickety Snippets shop, and the link for that is below, and I've printed everything onto 200 GSM cardstock. So a couple of them have got a note alongside them to say print 2 copies. So one is the long side of the bottom of the box, and the other one is the base of the box, so you just need 2 of those. Okay, so I'm going to start by scoring some lines. So we want to score along all of the lines on the side pieces. So I'm going to grab my cutting mat and go ahead and do that. Once you've scored all the pieces, you want to make some folds into them. So on the shorter sides, we're going to fold into these lines and also into these tabs. And then I'm going to turn it over and fold them back the other way. And then for the longer pieces, you just need to fold into these 2, so that line and that line, and back the other way again. So I'm going to do that for each of the pieces, and I'll be back. So that's it. I've also given each of them a swipe over with the bone folder just to get some really nice crisp folds on there. And so now we can start putting the box together. So the first piece I'm going to grab is this one with the dragon on it. So this is the top of the box. And I want the side pieces, which are all the these floral pieces. So we should have 2 long sides, 2 short sides. That's it. So I'm going to start by sticking on these short pieces. So I'm just going to turn over this piece, and then I'm going to put glue on all of these tabs. So it's the side that has the image on it. So glue all over the sides, and paying particular attention to the edges there. So right up to those edges, into these corners as well. And then I'm going to take that and I'm going to line it up with the edge of that top piece. And I'm going to do the same for the other side, the other small piece again. And then some glue all over the long sides. And then I'm going to stick that down in the same way. But before I actually stick it down properly, just want to make sure that those 2 sides come up comfortably. That's it. And the same for the last piece on this side. Okay, and then we can put some glue on the tab. So either side of this long edge, I'm going to have this one, and then I'm going to bring that long edge up and just hold it against that tab. Same with this side. Can squash that down just to flatten it really well. Now you can see that they're all lining up there. So I'm going to do the same on this side. And then I'm going to fold all of these edges in. So I want some extra glue on the tabs, on this side of the tabs. Like that, and then just a bit of glue around the edges and over that side there. Key thing is that this really holds down the tabs from this side. Give it a bit of extra strength there. Like that. And then I'm going to do the same on this side. There we are, and then the final thing to do on this is to just put a bit of glue on these small edges, small sides, and fold those in as well. And there we are, that's the top of the box, and we just need to put this insert into there. Make sure it's up the right way. So get a nice finish inside the box. Stick that in place. It's overlapping a little bit, and you can give it a trim to make it a bit smaller if you want to. Right, invariably end up with a white gap if I do that, so I think that's fine like that. There we are, so that's the top of the box. And we could also put this pocket in place. This is a hidden pocket. I'm just going to put some glue along that edge and along the bottom. And along that long side as well. And then just put it in place at the bottom of the box. Like that. Whoop. Yeah, I'm just going to leave that one to dry for a little bit, and then I'm going to make up the bottom of the box in the same way. So we have our top and our bottom of our box, which hopefully will go together nicely. Yep, there we are. And now all we need to do is to put together our dragon pocket that's going to go inside our box pocket. So I'm going to grab the cutting mat, and I'm just going to score along these lines here and here. going to fold them in and then back on themselves again. And I'm going to put glue all over the back here on this piece. Stick that down. Got a little bit of an overhang there, so I'm going to cut that off. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of glue along each side there and then fold that up. And then all there is to do is to put some of our bits of ephemera in the pockets. And I'm going to finish off by sticking this round piece onto the pocket in that box there. So that's it, one beautiful dragon box. I've really enjoyed this one, so I hope you'll love it too. There are more dragon printables in the shop if you like this one, and thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye for now.